In this Canva tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how to change text color here in Canva. So if I want to change this header that says sales record to a different color of text, I'm going to need to select it first and then come up to my toolbar. I have an A with a little color swatch underneath it, and that's our text color. When I click on that, on the left-hand side, we open up a color panel. We can search for colors, even specific hex codes. We can look at our document colors. So for instance, this gold is currently being used in the chart. So I could pull that over by clicking on it and including it in the header color. Now we can also click this plus icon to add a new color, of which we can type in a hex code, or we can select any color we want. So we could change it to this highlighted blue, or we could even use this pick a color from your design. So you could use the eyedropper tool to pick a color. We also have brand colors that we could utilize if you have the brand kit set up for your Canva, for your company here on Canva. And then we also have some, basic default colors. So if you just want to quickly click on one of these, like I want it to be yellow or I want it to be this reddish color, you can click on those. Maybe since sales are going up, we'll click on a green, and that's how you can change text color. One last thing is at the bottom, you can actually change all. So you can change all the swatches that are black to this green by clicking this change all button, which changes any text that was that color. So like all of these elements here on the side of the chart were that color. So we changed them all, in case you have multiple pieces of text that you want to change all at once. You can also shift click on two different elements and then click on the color tab and then click on the color that you want to change them to as well. So you could change separate elements at the same time just by having them both selected at the same time. That's how you can change text color here in Canva.